it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you this month's Glossy box unboxing. So yes, today we are going to be unboxing this month's Glossy box. It is January's Glossy box. It is a little bit late coming. I think that they sent out an email. They've had some issues with like shipping and things because of COVID and stuff. So some of the items that were in the box I think were like late to arrive. Or in fact, I think I've had another email and what's actually happened is one of the items that should have been in the box isn't in the box, and that's going to be in another one's box just because of the shipping. So Glossy Box is a monthly beauty subscription box. It tends to be quite makeup heavy. Each month we get 5 items in there. They do range from makeup to skincare and various different beauty treats. But this costs £13.25 if you want to buy it on a monthly subscription. I subscribe for 12 months, which means I get it a little bit cheaper. I get it for £11.75 per month. Okay, so I have seen the sneak peek. I believe we got an Ecooking serum, which I think I have from a Look Fantastic box. And other than that, I'm not 100% sure. I have seen a few people aren't too happy with the box this month. So the box design this month is just the standard Glossy box look, which is beautiful. I have a stack of them in the wardrobe. They are useful for keeping bits and bobs in, but yeah, when you get one a month, you do tend to accumulate them. I've got Look Fantastic as well, so I've got a stack. Anyway, inside we open it up, and we get a little card that will tell us about the products, and then underneath there are our products, which are always nicely wrapped. So it looks like this month's theme is the power of beauty. So I'm just going to undo the little bow and give you a very quick sneak peek of the products inside. I don't always rip the packaging. Okay, there's the little sneak peek. Okay, so the booklet says, Happy New Year Glossies. January is all about starting afresh, and what better to take inspiration from than the natural world around us. To start off 2021, we're focusing on the fresh and the pure, and bringing a selection of powerful yet gentle products that your skin is going to adore. So strip back your beauty routine and showcase the natural beauty within. Okie dokie then. So I'm just going to show you the items as they appear in the booklet and go through them one by one with you. So yeah, let's start with item number 1. Okay, so the first item is from Daily Concepts. It's full size. We get a 2-pack of daily reusable rounds, which I'm guessing we use instead of like cotton pads. Very eco-friendly, which is nice. I do struggle to find these that are good. These ones of these that are good. Chris just bought me some for Christmas, which I haven't actually tried yet. So try it Tuesdays. Okay, so these are daily reusable rounds. They're worth £6.80. And the little write-up on this says, did you know you can minimise your eco footprint while still staying on top of your much loved beauty routine? These natural and reusable makeup removal rounds are the perfect solution. These 2 pads are ideal for face cleansing and makeup removal, ensure there is no longer any need for disposable wipes and cotton pads. I do like the eco-friendliness, but I do struggle to find ones that are as good as cotton pads. These feel really soft, which is nice. No, so they feel really soft and they're quite big. I feel like you're going to be able to use, yeah, I'll give them a good go. Okay, the next product then was our sneak peek from last month, and it is the moisturising serum from Ecooking. I've had this from a Look Fantastic box before. It's quite decent. I don't use it particularly regularly, just now and then, but it's like I said, it's all eco-friendly and it's all very nice ingredients. So this is a deluxe mini. We get 10 mils and it is worth £22.50. The full size of 20 mils would be worth £45, £4. So the write-up on this says it is perfect for all ages and all skin types. This serum gives your skin a likely much needed due to the cold weather moisture boost. I must admit I have been using more moisturising products on my face recently with the winter months. So by locking in the skin's natural moisture and providing an extra kick of hydration, this Ecooking serum helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and ensure your skin is youthful and radiant. So it sounds like miraculous stuff. Like I say, I have reached for it a few times recently, the one that I have, so now I've got a backup. The next item is from St. Luke's Beauty, and it is a brow gel. Okay, it's a full-size item. It says, bow down to your brows. For a more natural look, a clear brow gel that can trump a pencil or liner. powder, sorry, where I got liner from. This gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape that will stay put all day. The sharp brow brush will give you a precise placement, whilst the lightweight gel ensures there is no residue when dry, and it's worth £16. The fact it's clear is quite nice. It means it's suitable for everybody, and it's a useful product to have in your kit, really, is a brow gel to hold them brows in place. Mine ain't looking the best at the minute, I will be perfectly honest with you. I have been struggling since lockdown and things, and not being able to go to the usual lady who waxes them for me, but little things like that help. Okay, so the next item in our book is a gua sha from Glow on 5th, and that is the item that is not in the box. That's the item I believe that they struggle to get. So unfortunately we don't get the rose gua sha this month, but I believe they are going to include it in a future box. Instead then, and I don't have the write-up on this, we get something from Mud Masky. It is, oh no, it's another blinking eye cream. It's a serum infused eye mask that reduces dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin and swelling. It's fragrance free and pH balanced. There's 30 mils in there. Last month's Glossy box had an eye cream, and Look Fantastic's box last month had an eye cream, and I think we had a Glossy box just towards the end of last year with an eye cream in it. So I feel like I'm up to my eyes in eye cream. But eye products, it's an important thing to have. So it's like, it's not a bad thing to have. It's just another blinking eye product. I'll be honest, I've only ever had one product from Mud Masky before, and it was in a previous Glossy box, and I wasn't that impressed, to be honest. So yeah, I'll give it a fair try. I'll give it a fair try, but you know. Okay, then the next item we get is from Beauty Pro, and it is an avocado infused sheet mask. You know I love me a face mask, and Beauty Pro actually do some really nice face masks, so hopefully this one will be a nice one. So let's see what the little write-up says. Firstly, it's worth £4.95 at a full retail price. And it says, intensely hydrating and nourishing to the skin. This avocado infused sheet mask will leave your complexion feeling softer and smoother than ever. Completely plant-based, and with its enriching superfood ingredient sourced from New Zealand, this sheet mask also protects the skin from the elements and aids in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So that's a really nice one to have. It's a good one for this type of year, I suppose. The kind of nourishing ingredients in there. So yeah, I will definitely be trying that one out. And then we get a 6th product this month, which I don't believe we usually get 6. So okay, so what have we got? It's from Your Sanitizer, and it's hand sanitizing gel. Wow, it's one we need. So this is worth £2.72, and it's it's from Your Sanitizer. It's hand sanitizer. It says Your Sanitizer is a hand sanitizer gel with 75% ethanol. It kills 99.9999% of all germs, whilst increasing the skin moisture by 34%. That's why Dermatest certified it as the #1 sanitizer for sensitive skin. It's also a handy size to keep in your bag whilst you're out and about. Do you know what? My hands have been so dry lately that, oh, it's sealed. But that might be one to put in my work bag because my hands have been really dry. I've been trying to use, I think, is it the Vaseline one that's got antibacterial stuff in with the hand cream? I've been trying to use that as well as the other hand sanitizer. So actually, that's quite a good one to get. Okie dokie then, guys, that is all of our products in this month's Glossy box. So we get the cotton pads daily rounds. They're a kind of nice little thing to have. It's good to try and be a bit more eco-friendly. We've got the brow gel. Again, it's a useful thing to have in your kit. I don't know the brand. I don't know how good it's going to be. We have the Ecooking serum. Like I say, I have used this before, and it's pretty good. Like I say, and at this time of year, it's quite an important thing to keep on top of skin's moisture levels, which goes the same for the avocado infused sheet mask. That'll be very nourishing and moisturising on the skin, which is really nice. The eye cream, not blown away by that. Would have rather had the other item, but that's absolutely fine. Can't be helped. The world's a little bit crazy. And then the hand sanitizer gel, which I'm quite glad to get, to be honest. Sounds good. Yeah, a lot of people weren't happy about this box. With it being late, I think I'm one of the last people to get a box, and a lot of people weren't happy. I have tried to stay out of the comments and things because I like to kind of open it and give you guys my first impressions, so I don't like to look at anything about what's in the box. Like I say, we did know about the Ecooking serum, But other than that, it was pretty much a surprise. And like I say, I had heard that we weren't getting the other product and we were getting something else instead, which I did hear was from Mud Masky, but I, again, didn't really read because I didn't want to spoil it. It's an okay box. I think it's okay. It's not the best glossy box I've ever done, but it's certainly not the worst box. So not bad. It's a lot of like facial treats and things. Hand sanitizer. I can imagine why people would be like, you can get that from the counter at Aldi, whatever, for £1. So why would I get this one? But it does sound like it's a good one that's kind of better for your skin. Yeah, it's an okay box. I'm pleased with it. I'm not disappointed. I'm not over the moon, but you know, it is what it is. And to be honest, for what I paid for this month's box, you know, I get my money's worth always. Anyway, guys, I'm going to show you February's sneak peek. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, look away now because I'm going to spoil it. Okay, so the sneak peek in February's box, it says, February is the month for love. If you're eager to pucker up for your Valentine, you're going to want super soft lips. We want to make sure you've got a pout that's as kissably smooth. So next month we are bringing you Advanced Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Gently exfoliating and illuminating, your lips will have never felt so beautiful. So it's a lip scrub. That's a useful thing to have. Avant is somebody that I never really heard of prior to getting these glossy boxes and Look Fantastics. But I have to say the things I've been using from them, quite impressed with. I got an eye cream in last month's Look Fantastic box from them and I really, really like it. I feel like I see a difference. So yeah, I will look forward to that one. It sounds like they're going for a Valentine's theme, which is really, really nice. So yeah, happy with that. Okay guys, so drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this one's box. Give me your honest opinions. Like I say, I'm not blown away, but I'm also not disappointed. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you're a subscriber, are you happy? If you're not a subscriber, does it make you want to subscribe? Let me know what you think. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe to my channel. I do a glossy box unboxing every month, as well as a Look Fantastic unboxing. I do various other hauls and bits and bobs. I try to do Try It Tuesdays every Tuesday where I try out a new product. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.